Father, forgive I. Selassie, Rastafari.
Look here. Daddy, what you do out here, so?
You know, say,
No, say what?
daughter, you're not to come and greet your father and say, Daddy, good afternoon. Eh? And me, if you ask the daughter what she had up on the road, I say you want to walk around with bad company.
I know bad company, she be. Where you talk about?
So we had up on the road.
But they just got to take a walk.
You know, see, I become like your mother.
Hey, how?
I saw your mother did turn eye. Your mother love walk.
So if you do sit down and turn...
Until in kicking foot. You want to do the same thing?
Someone can't kick my foot.
Why come like I want to handicap me have you? No matter what me tell you to do, you do it the other way around. Why?
If you tell me if you do something, then I must do it. Me do it how you tell me to do
Me say if
it.
you run good on a Master John lock me, you say, yeah, sit up and I walk.
So what that have to do?
You make it sharp lock.
Master John would have lucky that way for me in a flash.
Master John, me tell Master John say you reach there 2 minutes. And me say you keep on a shop 1 hour. Look on that.
Wow.
Where the top? You top a man yard or she can go a man yard?
That's
Are you have to come with
not-
daughter?
We don't, Daddy, put it down.
Best friend of that I ever have.
Right. Put it down. I'm going to try imply on me, you know.
No,
You
I.
realize that from what there, you know? Every time I just say, you know.
Any day the eye feel like he want a man, the eye go sit down in some cold water.
We are taking...
Me attack you!
Oh!
With the backside you! And we just set him out.
Say for straight.
No, we straight like an arrow. I'm a soldier in a Rastaman army. I don't ramp. And when you see your father, you see I eat pork? No. You see I eat chicken? No. Don't ramp with me. Straight fish for my grill.
Hell.
That's why I left your mother. I shouldn't even say it to you because you look a bit younger. Your mother used to try for chicken eye.
But Daddy, remember when you didn't have a piece of chicken in your little...
That's before me become a Rasta. With the box, hey, if you ever see that out there one more time, I give the hand back.
Sorry.
You see the moon and the Mars same time in one. You understand? Go down, you put on some rice, but make sure you wash it first. Because only young girl don't know if you cook.
Wash your rice.
Make sure you wash it first.
Wash it.
You have to wash it. How you cook it?
Daddy, remember you told me to wash it, you know?
Backside, you see that looking girl, what me just said to you, say?
Wash
What me
the
tell her to
rice.
do?
Wash the rice.
Good.
Yes.
You wash the rice first, you put it in the pot.
Yeah.
After you put it in the pot, you put some salt in there. Don't put no, a matter of fact, don't put no salt because I man not deal with nothing named salt.
Oh.
You remember when we used to carry go to Burger King? How we used to order the fries without no salt? Right. No give me no salt. Wash it,
Yeah.
cook it.
Yeah.
That's all. Simple thing. Wash it, cook it.
All right.
And one more thing.
What?
If Master come down there, I can collect rent. Tell Master Jack say, Daddy foot broke and their hospital. So if you check him back next month when he foot heal. You hear? Make sure. You hear me say?
Yeah. Come.
What me tell you to do?
Tell Master Jack say your foot broke and you can't work and you're not did it at the hospital.
Good. Go and deal with that. Remember, you know?
Yeah.
Wash your rice.
Yeah, I'll go wash your rice.
Wash your rice.
Yeah.
Yes, my daughter, you're sensible today.
Ah, dear. Finally rich. Come, girlie. See rice, yeah. This is all one there. Wait, what did they say me to do?
Wash it. You know, must not say wash it before you
Wash your rice, not so?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, go wash your rice. No, look so. Come on, Whitey. Me rice, Whitey. What you feel like your rice are washed clean enough? Look I still
I think
dirty.
if you use and brush, girl.
You think me feel on brush?
Yeah.
One day and day yesterday no. Oh see it.
Yeah.
But how we are brush and no fab not in there.
Oh, I see fab there. Fab.
If we make it extra clean, I think we have a little bleach. Bleach too.
Yeah.
And I think it are hanging. Alright, this strong.
Not add too much,
Oh, well listen.
Then look where water brown.
Yes, I did dirty.
Yeah.
Daddy most proud of me. Look there. Who will part dirtiness did then I water, you know, man. Go brush them off.
Tired, man. You don't start cook for that.
No, me I wash the rice, daddy.
Wash me.
Huh?
Me I wash the rice.
You wash your rice?
Yeah.
Yeah, me use bleach, fab, and washing brush.
Blood eye.
Awa.
What I say, Madu?
Daddy, you say,
washy.
yes, I wash the rice. So me washing the rice. Me I use it
Fab and bleach.
And me find little bleach and the brush. You don't know man use the brush to wash the rice. See it there. Look how water brown and dirty.
Dip your hand back in there and take up your back again. Me not see what I want.
Take it.
So you wash your rice
Yeah.
with soap
Yeah.
and bleach.
Yeah.
And I use scrub brush and scrub it.
Yeah, but the rice dirty.
And put in a woofah pot. My pot you throwing her.
No for your part, daddy man.
How do you think I could name that?
Daddy you say wash the rice and now me I wash the rice. You have a
When
problem.
they say wash your rice, I mean use fresh water and wash your rice.
A fresh
You
water
say wash,
dish.
you say wash. So she go,
Yes.
she go use fab and bleach. We use wash.
Why you use
You
wash
can't use source of water wash. You not go wash good.
Rastafari,
Selassie I, daddy. Selassie I.
Almighty Father,
Deliver you.
me send me daughter come put on the rice and me I come say me I come dash in the fish from the fire. And my daughter wash rice in a soup.
So you can't use again?
So what?
You
So
know,
wrong
Can't
with that?
use?
Yeah, you that? Ah! Yeah, you that? Tell you know. You see you and your friend, when the two of them mix together, on coming like a Pepsi and milk mix together. You know, but you ever taste Pepsi and milk?
No.
Then you are tired for the whole day.
I see your rice here.
I just said it one. Wash. Lord God.
Whoa! 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 Jesus!
Whoa.
Whoa!
She no star, eh? Eh? How can I eat that this year? Yo, wait. You wait till the mother come in. Wait till the mother come in. Eh? One little jackass pick me, you know, I can carry the mother off his seat.
My husband, you alright?
I want to start with now. Tell me what to start with now.
You deal with the rice and fish for me?
See rice there, you know. See the rice there.
And the dirty clothes that.
Dirty clothes? You have a right to say it. See the rice there. You know what's that? Rice.
How that a rice?
Me send your daughter, you know, cause you know, look like how my daughter kind of get my jeans. Me send your daughter, right? To come wash the rice. And see there, fab and bleach and scrub brush, me come see my scrub rice. You ever see me wash rice? Huh? I tell her to turn that girl in a Rasta, you know. But you know, listen.
You know, say, at your side of family, she get them full movement from.
Keep your mouth.
At your side of family, she get them full argument from, you know. You know, see how my side of family cool and easy.
What kind of cool and easy?
Cool and easy and we full of sense. Huh? Full of sense, man. I don't know why I just call you dry foot, man, like you. And you chew your back dry, you know. She
You
take
full
up
of
your
sense.
foolishness, you know. How she for go wash rice with
You remember the
spam?
last time I tell you if you cook ackee and saltfish? Eh? You put the saltfish in boil and then you throw the ackee in there and then few seconds you lock off the stove and give eye tough ackee.
Aye, Popeye. Mine a woman you keep with me, you know. Cause you never know me cook so yet.
Oh.
So now you do, you know.
Oh,
You lucky see me and hold my vibes, you know. I'm easy, you know.
Susie.
You're lucky, you know.
Susie.
Awo?
No, me mean like Susie. Like me I try
No,
to
you
keep
do, you know, Popeye.
Relax now, I. Just relax, man. Call the
Can't believe-
Alright, make you explain that.
Kayna, come here, man.
Make you explain that.
Kayna. Can't understand.
And him friend there, him friend head big and a whole nothing yes so.
A full friend she have, man. And to rub off on her. I'm also full business you do. You really wash your rice with fab, little girl.
So when you wash, what you do, mommy? You
Lord
know, take up, use soap and bleach and things to wash with brush. Me use the brush so them couldn't come.
You know, use that pan your panty.
Yeah.
But you use it pan rice.
Me use it on my panty.
No, man, if you wash your rice like you wash your panty, cause pure water you use pan your panty. Wash the rice.
So I wash it. When me
How
wash,
much?
no problem.
How we lick?
And what you tell him say?
How we lick?
You tell him to wash your rice like you wash your panty.
I be a water, so water she use wash her panty, so water she use for that.
You may say do it, I say I go follow you and say how you are.
Well, if you did follow me, you'd have washed the rice proper.
Okay.
I know who you lick.
I see. Talk to this, you know. More you adjust this.
Who you call this? She might not can cook, but who you call this in a this?
Defend me, mommy.
Who you call this in a this?
So your mother go defend you?
Yeah.
No call me picnic this, you know.
Your mother go defend you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Rasta.
Oh, go on, still asking. Ballad, you know.
Blessings,
I'm a friend. This is my friend.
Yeah, Rasta in by ballad.
Until you have locks like me and my queen, you consider yourself as a Rasta.
You know, hear the song. You
Don't have to be dread to be Rasta.
Shut your mouth!
Shut it for me now.
What kind of no have to be a Jew to be
Shut
a...
it for me now.
Have a dread. I'm a
From you have the action.
You boss me for one night chain, then when you now give, you want to feel like Rasta.
This is the African colonial, right? This is the spiritual guide, Jah Rastafari. This one here, straight out of Africa.
But me didn't know you got Africa.
Yes, the eye used to fly.
Then daddy when you go Africa.
Him fly high, man. See me there, drop me thing
fly
too.
high in spirit and in...
No, man, him fly high. Him fly very high.
So I mean, little I never call you Bubba. You never know you go pamphlet me yet.
And not take me.
Eye, that a disgrace eye. You don't know something of fly eye.
You fly high, man. You fly higher than the sky.
I don't think that come from Africa.
It come from Africa, yes, but not him bring it.
Africa, not true.
Yeah,
When you have
I
Africa.
feel like I hear a fool, you know. I think you need to take out them braids there.
Daddy, me think you need to wash your arm.
So I do it. Then you do it, Rasta.
I'm going to try this place.
We are there now. I think that I need to clasp the eye hands and shut the eye and wait a moment.
Your daughter style you.
Listen, let me tell you this.
Anything, I'm come for the two soccer. That me come for.
Two sucker, check it back. Then me talk to me. Go and check around so me I come. You know, he said if you come check eye data, wear proper clothes. Don't look like you come from club. Me and my wife is Christianity, right?
Me a Rasta, me don't know nothing about Christian. Me a Rasta.
Then what Rasta deal with Jah. And what Jawa.
Me deal with my creator, you know. That's why me say me and you are different, Rasta, you know. Oh.
My daughter have man.
I don't know about that, sir.
My daughter ever go a man yard?
No.
My daughter ever chat to no man? So my daughter a lesbian. A lesbian she told.
No, that me say, that me mean. Me just say me never see her with no man yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, she lucky. She lucky. Anyway, leave the yard. Go on home.
What good?
You are telling me if you walk good.
A picnic man. Me no want nothing do her.
I don't care.
That's the difference with me and you. How you can be Rasta and you not care about another I and I?
I and I only care about I
You're
self.
not Rasta that. You're a real Christian man. Me a Rasta. Rasta care about everybody. I and I.
I know the thing I'm not like. And you need to change it. Because I go and put you out one day if you come back, you know. You tell I to taste the ranking meat. You try death, Rasta. How dare you?
And a fish and yam. A fish you fin yam and a fish me I give you.
That's not a fish.
Yeah, man, you know.
That is the ear of Babylon. You want shit.
Babylon have to rise. You know, so Babylon have him time. Babylon rise and Babylon fall and me now fall. Only one person a fall here.
You come and clean out in a bedroom and I can talk about heat. You see, this Rasta here don't consume nothing named pee.
We have to consume F. Come here, fire. I'm going to burn your hey. Come now. Come here, burn you know. Come man, come on. You're too miserable. Come man.
Go on, Dr. Fish, go on in.
Come on,
go on, parrot fish, go on.
Alright, I'm going to get myself ready here.
Go on, yeah man, get yourself
ready. I'm burn you today. Oh, me a fire, you know. Hey.
That's why I say Susie, you see, you can't put on Susie because Susie fiery more down, you see how you... You don't find what you want?
Just give me one.
You don't hear nothing a while ago. You don't hear nothing.
No, my phone busy, I phone thing. You know, I'm not involved in a phone thing.
Where you here?
Yeah, talk about pork business or whatever.
You see the I eat pork. Me not talk about no pork. Me not mention nothing named pork.
You don't eat pork. Me know and me not say I eat pork. But that pork I give it me here. But banana me, just give me one.
And me care for the big property.
No, give me from here, so me no want what. So yeah, you see much things that we scared. We not scared fire. Where we go?
Me I look for your damn sense.
My sense?
Yes!
So, you know, so they in my head.
In our head. If you did in your head, you don't have sense. We said, come on, we are going for the big property.
Alright, go through.
Backside, man.
Jesus God. The girl, what you doing in your yard for morning? You know see one big garbage. Look on the front of your yard where you sit down in front of. So you can't come reiki? Me at that? Yeah. Me fi come reiki. What you there for? You tidy up your house? When you done rake and wash the plate, you come tidy up your house. Oh. Me a maid? You're not maid. But I'm the princess. Wash the plate. Listen, I'm the princess of this house. I'm not fiddle no finger. Me put all the rules I use do it. And so when you get your own, I teach me and learn. Me I learn from you young, you know. When you get your own house, you don't know what to do neither. Cause you know what tidy up your house. You don't know what to do. You feel like me don't know what to do? I don't know where my brother get you from. He blind, he blind? He blind. How you blind? Where your mother get you from? Somebody like you. You know, sis, you're very nasty. You know, I'm no manners. Okay. Rake up your yard. Me not rake no yard. You mean by you not rake no yard? You said them must have me. That me say me not take it back. Your sister, nah, no manners. She gonna let her about how me you don't know where you sip on me. Where you sip on me? Where you sip on me? He said, I don't know where me get it from. Where you get him from? See, you know, no manners. You know, you want me to wash plate and sweep. You have me not sweep in the yard.
Look, come here. What you mean by?
You don't have no manners. You need to teach him some manners.
You see, she a queen in the yard. So if anything she say for you, you do it.
I don't see no crown pan in your head. Ah! Me not see no crown pan in.
When she talk to you, you listen, you don't complain.
You can't lick him with your hand in a feel. You see one charger, they lick him out tight. And you want to lick, cause you don't want to tidy up your house.
When you there, so when you there, say back and say about.
Give me no.
No!
Give me. Me hear me go sweep it. Yeah, me hear you. Me go sweep it yard.
Yeah, you older than her?
No!
You older than
No!
Go sweep up the yard. Go sweep up.
Alright.
Go sweep up the yard. Take up a record. Have manners. Make sure me come back out and say yeah.
Fix her yak.
Mash you. Then no manners, no behavior.
Make sure me come back out here and replace for your cup. Don't know when my brother get hit from. No, me can't let you out. Me can't let you out, my brother. How you and why you out here talk? Jesus Christ. How would that there, so? Because girl, you know she say morning just right. You don't understand your yard from morning.
Of course, I'm not nasty.
You know nasty. Well, she have to clean up the yard. So go on in your yard. Because she have to clean up the yard. Go on in your yard. Where you come and call her out of your house.
Just come here, you're going to send me a stranger.
I don't care if you're a stranger. She need to do her chores them. You do your chores them and you wash. She finna do fear. Go on in your yard. Go on in your yard. Tell him to fix your rake. And you little girl, make sure say make sure say that make people call out her yard and you do your chores them. Because I play they need to wash. So you could dry it down.
Oh, yeah, Rango. Girl, listen, I go out with my friend, yeah. And you people might call run from over there. I'm going to go look for the girl.
What's that word?
No, Jerry people, let me not meet that girl, I'm sit down.
So, what was your school? Maybe got their friend him.
School.
Something. You know what she?
Yeah, but
I'm paying school. Me say take us over there, you know. I thought,
no, but I'm not talking to
come here.
I like school.
Wow.
So you can come out the yard.
And she named her? And she named her?
Yeah, people them come cuss me. Me I run so.
When I tell you so, cuss. When I have school to think about. When I go work at school. School? Men, we're not preschool right now.
Yeah, we're not preschool right now.
Which they want me have over my yard.
Yes, I'm gonna help to catch too bright. I don't see me brush her mouth for a man. She'll come run me.
That me I say. As soon as you suffer, you don't want to keep other people. You what? You what? Girl, you what?
I'm a sister-in-law. I don't like her. I don't know where I get him from. Hey girl, no want to do nothing in the house. You want me to wash plate, sweep yard, and still. Me no think you go tidy up your promise. Don't do that. I wonder how my brother see funny.
As well, listen, I want to ask you about one day we can go to book on the road. If we just start about who you want to do it.
Yeah, man, let me know.
She know I get rich. Go to your subject.
Oh, no, I know right now. I'm get rid of she, let me think about. Cool. Come, when he have me over there, what me?
You can't be here. We go that way. Me are tired subject. I just say nothing about who only go and kill that. No, man.
When you for that kid. Me can't say nothing with grade 10 yet.
Kill him in all school.
Me think kill him more better.
Look at you too. Kill him per year, man. Kill him. You can't kill a fly?
If I did you over there, you would want to kill him too.
As me say, me not who not talk, but when you must be fine, you must be who not talk. So I think about the book.
Me say, when me kill him, me go for the book. Because when me over there, me can't take up no book. You walk.
You should have seen you walk. Oh God, man.
You be see big banana trash them in the yard and I'm me if you clean a girl that come and do away and tell me about how. Hello, clean up yard. When you done clean the yard, wash the plate. What kind of style that? You have to get rid of that. What?
You know,
Good something that. Alright, me tell you what you do. You see a morning time, you go come over my yard, you go sweep up the yard, wash the plate, everything.
The one who don't want to do so much things. That's the truth.
Is that you? I go tell me speak to you. Especially you. You are full of bad company. You.
Where bad company?
And fitness.
Where bad company there?
You. You see what I go to?
Mama!
You're not a good friend.
Listen to me now. Me say, me we think.
You not sit here chatting with me. Bye.
One.
Bye.
Now one for your mother like old school.
So this girl, girl, more tell her something. You see that girl, they forget rid of her. She too nice. So I can't bring them a girl in her home.
Remember, him can't come down.
Anyone nice clean girl who will come in her yard.
Oh, me no listen to him, you know. You see, all my brother did come, my brother will bust me ass. Me listen to him.
Oh.
That girl is too nasty to me. You want me sweep yard, everything you want me to do, you know what I do.
My one girl come there, went nice to me, right? Make me come in the yard anytime, and make you left the yard anytime I want to. You know, I'm gonna like the girl, man.
My brother after you.
Oh, where they are, sorry. You just talk to my friend.
Which friend? You don't know in a year from morning, me left it up there and say, Biggie, wash the plate and just wait the yard. That's all you did have to do and you sit down here so with friend. Why is she do to you? She contribute to your future education?
No, I'm just doing what
Exactly. So go up in a yard. Why me depend on the road that look so for your name and get so if you beg you do two look in a yard then you can't do it. Hey.
Tired, man.
Make sure no bad friend and company you did on your
No, I'm a good friend.
Good friend? How do look here? Look here, Biggie. Don't let me pass here and I see you back right here and I reach up in our yard. You don't know shit where you shit in our chimney?
You know,
You take it out?
look, I'm afraid that's why you embarrass me.
Look here, you wash your jaws then? Okay, it choke you. Oh, look here, don't make me pass here so I see you back sit down right here so you know reach up in our yard.
Me wake up me yard before me come out of yard.
Me no business about you. I know me a feed you, I know me a close you. I don't give a damn about
Be
you.
embarrassed now.
Exactly, that's if you go from here. Don't make me pass you so you're the back here so you know. I will.
They say them a see me a talk about, man. They be a good one, girl. Me I go before she pass back. That's embarrass me no more.
I might
Yeah.
speak more.
Better.
Alright.
Hello.
You see one look up short black girl?
Remember, I say shot like a black girl. I have to be more specific. A whole heap of black girl there, so.
Girl. Me no really, you see sun a burn me. Me know family where I come from?
Girl.
I hear such a two and she black and short.
No, I don't see her. Besides, you didn't even address me or come here and I chat about how good morning, miss or anything. You just come here and fling up a little enough self in my face. You know how manners?
No.
We can't tell.
I don't have none, cause you know why me a queen at the house.
You're queen of house? Yeah. For your house I can't pack. I have that the queen that you attack. You could never be queen. Queen grow with manners and etiquette.
Everywhere me no grow with no manners.
I can't tell. Well,
me
you
no
see,
grow with none.
guess what? Me not see her. I'm in a business. You could never be queen in a cause. Me know say queen have manners. Right now, you talk about somewhere. You say, well, queen, you go hear a queen. You go say queen, but cause queen growing a manners. You're not queen for nowhere. You're queen in a card pack. You're not queen for nowhere else.
What you know about?
I don't know about
what you know about?
At least me don't know if me approach somebody me that come and say, hi, good morning.
Me not even say that. Me not only you know obligation, so me not even say that.
You can't want me obligation. Well, guess what? I'm gonna search and next time don't stop me.
That's why I'm gonna stop crankle like Uni, you know.
That's why I'm not chat to old Jezebel like Uni, you know. Cause
How
you see
Jezebel?
when Uni know
How
that
me
with
old
you feel
Jezebel?
like say, oh, cause when you say you're queen a house, make you feel like you can't come around and go and say, no, you cannot do that.
Me do anything me
Yeah,
feel like.
yeah, you can do anything.
I
you
mean,
feel
you
like.
run this don't run me.
But
So
for ya,
you should have to just start kneel down by my foot. Bye. Have a bad day.
poor thing.
Zoe! I know Zoe that day. Zoe! We do over there and I feel me yard. We pick up the neck. Zoe, so all you leave out of the yard and you don't make nobody know. So you didn't know, me never know. Me never want to come back. Come go on in the yard, Zoe. We are come from, you know, we are walk on the all over the place, little girl. Your girl pitting in and for the all over the place, so.
Up the road me I come from.
We go up the road, go do.
But chill out. You
You don't do chore them in the yard? Mm-hmm. Go on in the yard, Zoe. Go on down the yard, little girl. Okay.
Go on down left me.
If you go down let you, you know what I say, you know have no manners. No manners then a girl go on down in the yard. You just say me now go down. Girl go on down in the yard. What mean by you now go down? You're road pets now.
I know that.
You not even know A from bull foot you want left on road. I know that what. Girl go on down in the yard. Go on down in the yard.
Hold on.
Look here. Look here.
Tell the limit now.
Look here. No, Zoe, lick me with
Do
it.
something.
Lick me with them, Zoe. Lick me.
My brother not there, right? Yes, alright. Now we
You don't have that time when you lick me with it kind of day. Go on down the yard, girl.
You know. It's true cause you're big.
Go on down the yard.
Listen to me.
Girl, go on down the
It's
yard.
true cause you're bigger than me. Me not go dear nothing. I am a sister-in-law. I'm
Yeah.
Put on there. Put on there. Just speak to me, Anthony. Just speak it.
How am you?
Now your woman we have done here, the abuse you and lick me.
Which family woman like you?
Out the road. I tell them captain for me.
How you know? You don't tell us I queen a yard already. So why you
Queen a which yard? What?
Why you a fine complain? How you not like her?
No, me not like her.
So that's why you come and try to tell
Me
life
should
on
get
her?
rid of her too.
So that's why you come and tell life on her?
Tell which life on him. Look palm my skin. Look. You see?
Listen. Me don't know if me woman, me don't know if my woman a put her hand on you. You see me, you don't like the girl. You tell me say you don't like the girl and stop come and spread fire.
Me not like her, but I not like me a kill for her.
Why she like you?
Hmm?
Why she like you?
But make you lick me.
Mm-hmm.
Me not know.
You see?
You just let me
lie.
for no reason.
Lie you tell
In
girl.
him-
Stop tell her upon me man. Me tell her say I queen here, then think she say you just do what you tell her to do.
I know that.
She just do what you tell her to do and everything good. I'm sure.
I know that.
You just make everything difficult, so bro.
You see next time you again. So wait for me. You have something coming in. Don't worry.
Bella, the woman now put her hand on you. I understand? So me just want you work with her and she will work with her.
Ask your mother woman when he come here why he lick me. Cause she see me walking, eating when me pay her eat me guinea and he go chop or go down in a yard. I down in a yard me did that come in.
Mm-hmm.
But she too enough.
So she send her down there that come tell her that she lick you.
Jesus.
One night was.
Just wait for me now. See a little witch woman a come here. And we are called witch. He said somebody with the in front of me.
Who they in front of you?
So be
My red blood.
Oh, wow.
No.
Good?
Yeah. Ask your woman when you lick me for today.
Yeah, I'm on now. Where we can for today? I just say where we can.
What we want me to for? Mrs. Shane and her brown friend a come out of man yard. And she don't know what I throw them. So I hear some big
Lie.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yes.
A lie.
I have to go give him for me those, come on.
Yes.
Hey,
right.
don't run enough time for running. Tag on time now. Come on. That's what I'm
If you're happy.
Who responsible for you in our yard? Come up, yourself.
And she leave what I she was saying nothing to nobody. She just gone.
Share with you.
Mrs. Sarah.
I if you do, I respect her, though. Where come from?
When me did tell her say when me come over here.
She tell me say you come from man yard.
A good as him a come from man yard.
You can't take man.
What? See you make it just.
Let go. Let it go. Me say,
Alright, nobody give him no more. Yes. Nobody give him no more.
eh?
Me a beg for
Let
you.
go, man. Let go.
You.
Leg off. You not to take your book like a boy you take man. Come go in.
Nobody give him no more. Me a beg PR.
Go in. Go on in our house. And I come back out for your side here. Go in our house. Alright. Hello, miss. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to someone to know if you do anything in the yard and make sure somebody get some dinner and car back.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing.
Me here.
I'm want to live good. You see me?
Yeah.
The sister-in-law. Understand?
Yeah.
Alright. So I want to make sure that wash out my bathroom and do enough to do no house chores. You hear me? You hear me good? Alright. So I'm just do that for me. Isn't it?
Alright.
You should do me something.
Take up your rate and start work up your yard now. And then you go take out the fridge, the meat out of the fridge to thaw out. And then you go are you me a talk to? Okay, me a talk to you now. Then who want me out here? Me and myself.
Me the talk to.
I did arm me and my shadow. See how your shadow also. Mama Ray. Take up the rake and start. It's not no black. Go feed meat in the fridge and take out the towel. So me look can't cook. Me tell her to take out the meat out of the fridge. Me never tell her to
No, me not take out in either. Anybody have to take yours.
wash the plate them too.
Wash with plate.
Girl, you know say me not talking with them. Not get the things them done and we see.
Okay. You go on.
We all go. So, we don't pay to this neither. So, up on the road.
What's the end of the comment? Oh, you're already. Come on. That's your salute. That takes so long. You know what's happening?
You don't know what say. Yes, third day. After we did a walk go down, you know, I tap and pick up like a guinea pan thing and I eat it. Me look, no my sister-in-law that. Me don't know where my walk me down for. So, did they know in some go down there and did they give me some lick. Me run go over now for my brother. Me tell him what happened, you know. After a little witch come from half of the road now, he ask him, say, you gotta tell like for me and you.
Oh, me. What is me do now?
Says he told we come out of man yard.
Jesus Christ. Now tell you the truth. You need to up and get rid of the girl. You come in my yard and go do my little shows them because I know my auntie stay now. I didn't come this way on the road right here, so I'm shame.
Would shame too.
Shut up,
you see, me coulda ever lick him back. Me give him back every single lick what my brother give me. Me give him back everything.
Should I me and you?
Me I'll get 3 times soon.
No. Tell walk and tell her for me, for me.
But you have to help me get 3 times.
Make me surely help you.
Alright, so where's that one?
I'm just there, you come call me tired, I made something for you, say for open, I don't talk already. If open, go back for my auntie reach.
Do that then because me, you see if I did me and you, me walk and hold on my head so.
Now I feel that in a girl.
Go on up before your auntie come share you again.
That's a girl.
Now go down back the road. I sleep here, so.
You don't let me turn up away upon you.
That's true. I the little girl did it there, yeah. I can't bother with because she don't know man.
How long you babysit for? Because I don't know why you can't come home. You tell me saying you have to work.
I work, but I have to put the baby to sleep.
Listen me, mama. Why you can't come check in your workplace?
No, because they don't allow strangers. I want residential area, me there, you know.
Wow.
Residential area.
Resident?
Yes.
Charlie?
Area.
Yeah. Oh, yo, boy, we can never have time for my woman.
But see me, I'm going to go call look for you.
Look for me when?
Weekend.
Listen to me. I know in them bullshit there. Cause every time you work, me not see the money. Where you do the money?
Every month me get pay member.
Oh, month end. Tell the boss if he give you some money. Right now, I want some money, me broke.
You know where?
Not really. Me walk off my job because the boss tell me, say.
Well, me go walk off of my job too and go stay with you. So 2 weeks go sit and look no more than another fee.
No! Go and work where you work. They go to the boss and say, boss, the government say $32,000 a week now, you know. And, you know, the man look at me and say,
What say?
you better me pack up my bag and go on and me because $15,000 still a give me a week. So what you do?
You pack up your bag. But you could have still collect like 16,000.
Yeah, the government say we get 30,000.
You know, hear what the government say? If government say every year I'm going to raise it. It now go just raise one time, so.
No! Me expect it. If you tell we say, if you vote for you, because you're going to raise salary to 32,000. And me raise it. Me here say raise. And me see it.
Listen.
And you're going to tell me.
You know, listen everything what the government say. The government say, you go on the PA every year. So you see, you know, raise it this year and go raise it next year. So maybe I go 25,000 we get go pay. If I saw you go.
25,000.
Or 30.
So you see it. So you see I go on. Yeah. You give me a little one quick in the bush there.
Come on.
Come and miss you know, want bubble it up.
Bubble it up.
Water, you know.
Alright, daddy, later.
Where you come, Lifa?
Eh?
Where you come, Daddy?
No, daddy, I don't know no style. Come on.
Daddy, we don't understand. Don't call me some man. We don't sleep with picnic.
Alright.
Go on in the bush.
You should go on, lead the way.
So I'm bright. Good. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Me like that, you see?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, stay there before you come cook and clean for me.
Alright, go and go cook and clean. Go on here, here, next week, stay here, baby.
Yeah, alright, daddy.
Me say me not near, what me say to you? Say, honey, where you coming now, daddy for? Don't do that.
Right. You know what do you, daddy? Daddy, go on here. Hey, girl, go down here. Go down here, daddy could eat that. You chat too much. Hey, girl. And I tell you, go down, I tell you, go down here. Me can't find no aki. Who no gonna down there yard? Me say if I can't chat us. Oh boy.
Slimmers, what have you got for your phone there? Oh God, I'm tired. Huh?
I don't got no phone.
Somebody look at me and tell me say you don't got no phone.
I look me sir.
Who they look here? If me
Okay, so I go on me way then.
Hello, me talk to you. You go on to, if me they look here, me ask if your number already.
Look here, wait.
I'm gonna admire you.
Other people nowadays, the only time when you tap people when you know I look them if you know I look a coat here or whatsoever. I don't got that.
I just get some a while ago, Mama. I don't want none. You say I'm sweaty. I'm tired. I sleep. I want to sleep right now. I just cut piece down in the bush. That's with my catty.
Where you go do?
I am. Huh?
I shit take a shit.
No.
Have it that's way.
I am a man that's settled for one woman. My woman is working and minding me. I'm good. I'm alright. I don't cheat when my woman is minding me. You see, the moment she broke, that's the time I'm going to cheat. You see, while she can't finance me, I am going to cheat. So
as a big great tone grass old man, you don't feel like you should not work for your own bread?
Me? My work, me did the work, but my boss diss me.
How?
Alright. Government, me did get paid 15,000, right? Then government raised it to 16,000. I start smile a little, cause I want like $1,000 extra. But when me get 30,000 salary, me jump up. Me say between me and me, that's when I tell my girlfriend, me boss one 2 backlight in a see. And my workplace, me bossy, right in front of bossy. I say, yeah. When me look. But the 2 NOC all time me pay nothing left. Alright, now me walk bossy. Right now me walk bossy. Look at change that time me walk off my job.
Yeah. How your boss this year?
They're not this in Disney.
No.
Because of 32,000 government time for give me.
And you expect $32,000 can buy 2 bottles of Hennessy?
No, you can more than buy it and left change.
Look here, I feel like you never graduate and get the subject maths, not true?
Huh?
You never get the subject maths, not true?
What kind of subject maths?
I think you have to do nothing more than. I think you just shut up. I think you know what you have to do? You have to find some...
Let me ask you a question.
I don't want to hear your question.
What more subject you have?
8.
8?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of job you do?
What kind of job you do? Oh, I'm undercover police. That's why you see me in a plain clothes and look like I'm not a body. I have one little niece there. Oh boy, him to our next job.
Alright, undercover cop.
Mm-hmm.
You be on your merry
So
way.
where I tell to go? Why else me say that? That's why I don't like tell people where I tell to go.
I don't chat to police. I'm not an informer. I don't want nobody around the area.
Look here.
Can't get things to uno.
Sir,
Take your merry way. Come
sir,
in.
if me didn't want to get information from you, don't hold you up long time when me look at FLA. You didn't know that?
Me now, I'm your subject and going to the force to work. You idiot?
Yes, me I idiot.
Oh, you are idiot?
Yes.
You have your 8 subject. I ain't trying to find some big company. If you be CEO or manager. You got
and that's how it works. Shut up. You're overqualified. Then cannot pay me. And that's why I have to go somewhere else.
You know what big people right now out there want somebody to run their company and you gone in the force gone do what?
Where you there so do? Me I force me I make my honest brother me I get my money a month time. What you do? You sit down and depend on your so-called woman. You don't even know if I feel woman. You sure if you're woman? You sit down here depending on your woman. Oh my woman I work and a man give me what if I don't feel woman money? You ever yet go visit your woman? Eh? You see, a while ago, me hear you say a bush you take something. What make you could take your fair yard or for your woman place? You cannot do that.
I want you with the police on the lion thief enough. That's all me know. Go away.
What you have one thing with that, that's why you go up forever where your basket chat too much, you look up fool and idiot and poor the bitchy looking mother.
You know, see when time hammer.
No, shut up before me. You want me to tease you?
Eh?
Go on a yard. You fear them big old ugly.
Go and squid.
Shut up and name shit.
Your mad off you with them broomstick.
Like your hood.
Alright. Not want to say nothing to you, yeah? How where you go?
Me gonna hire. Oh yeah, come for
You don't get no what you talking about?
No hire.
No hire for do what?
Where you back home so early?
What me I do back home so early?
Yeah.
Don't question me. I know say hungry go and murder you up there.
What you mean by?
I quit my job.
What you mean?
My boss a styler.
And so?
And so what? So you expect say the government I give 32,000 and me worth for 16,000 same way. Me must be mad. Me mad? Look at me good. Me
But you
mad?
still can do more things with it.
You and your mama up there cause your stepmama now look like he not get no pay until Monday. So you and your mama go and have to go work.
Who?
First of all, you go want to stay free. Second of all, you go want pamper sometime at the night because you piss the bed.
No.
You think you can trick me?
No, me no piss bed. Probably your woman you talk and me no piss bed. Or your woman.
Who pissed the bed last night?
Your woman pissed the bed last night. I don't piss no bed. Nothing that for me.
My woman no sleep there. And your woman no sleep there.
Oh, you know that? Oh.
Unless you're carrying man in there.
Where get man from?
So who pissed the car out of the bed?
Are your woman, I know me.
Are you still out there? My woman no come there.
Come me see you bringing her last night. That's a lie.
You see me bringing woman last night?
That is a lie, Daddy.
Oh, if you take up by the aisle, you know. Take up by the aisle. You wait till I come up here, we know who pissed the bed. You will know who pissed the bed, yeah?
Doggy road.
What do you want?
Yeah, she sits on the side of me down. I tell you. We think to work here for we.
What you say you tell me about?
What? Listen, no. So this a one I must have passed me and one man and come call me. Me go up there and the man come out of bush.
What man look like?
He tall and he in a black suit. Yeah, he tall and in a black suit and he kind of brownish black. I don't know about yeah. So me tell him, so me go tell my brother now.
But anyways, don't think I Anyways. So, you know, you can book come. I'm teaching you.
Girl, let me tell you.
Yeah, go on where you going. Let's say I'm going to shop.
Book, you know. One thing I book.
You know, I don't take it on the head. Because 28 like it's 28 top. You take it. Girl, me take 5 kills in the machine. 5 to be. Oh,
Well, we know business about that.
Hello, come on, because I don't want you to stand.
Go on.
What is on here? Who got me on?
I want. I can't get no chat right now, you know. Why me can't get no chat? But so me see I come out a bush with man. You see me I come out a bush with man? And me go tell me brother. Me just wait one thing. You see me I come out a bush with man? I want me see. I want see then. They take a long go shop the plate. Them I'm gonna find from time. Me love. Shop plate. Me love. Me dear, you know, you hear me say? Where you? Me see I come out a bush with the man. You know see me I come out. Yes.
I want them go on.
Me see your queen I come out a bush with man. Who you gonna believe? The woman we are lie down with a night time or this little liar pitney? Who you gonna believe? Listen to me. See me no come out of bush. See me in front.
It's a lie.
What ya?
I understand say you're my woman, but every minute. Hold on your foot and you want.
Me realize say.
Hold on your foot.
Me realize say. Alright.
Hold on your foot.
You ever want to lick me for your queen when they come out?
Hold on your foot and one of your ears.
Alright.
Use the hand and hold the next foot.
Apologize.
Use the hand and hold the next foot.
Oh my God, is it?
Use the hand and hold the foot there. Put your foot back on you. Why you hear my woman so much?
I don't hear time, I just tell her the truth. You see me? Me see her come out of the bush with the man.
Yeah, make me deal with that.
One tall man.
Don't touch me like me, your friend. Listen to me.
Brother.
Listen to me. Listen, man.
Alright.
What you do? A full-time fiesta.
What she a do? In a bush with man, a full-time fish
Shut
chopping.
up your mouth. I'm tell you.
You not lick him, you know?
No, me not lick him. Me a punish him. Me a make sure hold back your foot on your hand.
You see? I don't know something, yeah. Especially now, I have no man.
So if me not punish her, how should I
You have a liquor!
No, me can't butter bruise
Lick
her
over you, man. Every time you want to call lick me for your woman, we have other man.
Listen now. Tap.
Come on. You have no man. You have no man. Then I lick him and make him know it.
Just relax, man. Relax, man.
You too know one day.
Shut up, man. Go at this one. Go this over now. I can't get up every day and I spread rumors from a woman that is not nice. You understand? If you don't like her, you don't like her.
Me have witness.
Where witness there?
But I'm a friend them.
Yeah, your friend.
No, I should not be there.
What's your name? You can't have a little cup. You want in no sense?
You know you don't have none already.
Don't get your car up, man.
Me have the
And make
car
sure
for
I'm not too sure talk, you know.
you. Chat to me.
Okay.
Huh? So where did they all along? I do.
So.
You have big woman now? Oh, you have big woman? You see road that's how we back up. I feel when you go anywhere they time, they lock your backside on as I say you won't come out. You have to take up your book.
Who in the car?
Where's the say?
Who in the car?
So you feel like say you can jump to a window and come back and sit over house?
Your house. No, our house.
Our did buy there? Eh? Our know how this buy? Every day you take up this stick sweetie and suck like you have practice. Where you have practice? Stop young people sweetie, they're not good for your cavity. They're not good. You stop suck it.
That was so nice to me, but.
You know, and drink water, but every day get up sweetie. You know what they put in like sweetie them nowadays?
No, tell me.
Sometimes all jugs in them, and that's why someone will miss them. Because everyone go to see people with sweetie and so, who don't beg or who want it. Stop it, man. I don't say you know if you eat sweet, but at least one time for the day, you have one right through the day. You have a lollipop, you have bubble gum, you have chocolate, I mean, never you see with the water in it, and why?
Come, you can't drink up.
You can't, listen to me. I'm gonna tell you this. You see, if when next week come and result time come out, I don't get no ones. Remember me tell you that. We're done with you. And top where they were sitting up on road, because you told Marga, they were sitting and fit you. We are just. When y'all picking you look man, that's how they just.
Me not look no man.
So why you go for the road look like that?
You can't tell me put on it.
That is the reason I'm telling you. Only young girl and all of the parents, them are dog too. Because all them do, I put on some like batty rider, some tight, squeeze up, that's why accident go up on the road because the taxi man them. See them when my drive. Whoa, I saw that from the fat. Boom. Then crash. Stop waiting something you're picnic. Left them there for the big woman them. Tight no make for picnic, you know.
You don't talk now?
Me no don't talk. The only way tight make for uno unless you put on one skirt. You cover it up. You understand? Mm-hmm. You smell your arm?
No.
So why you just like this? You tail front? You look man?
Mm-mm.
So why you just like that?
Because I can pretend. It's my clothes. I say you're my best stable.
We don't know why we choose it in the wrong house. We can't find no good backside. But I must find one day, girl. Next thing you come in with belly. You don't know the pooper. Why?
No. Just about this up. You know. But like, I'm telling something and don't go. Girl, what do you about to walk and study? Tell so we now come. Let's say $20. No big deal. Let's make sure if you done for you. Like we care? I know if I hear me say of a kid here, what's what you girl want to be to you know. That's all you put for.
Yes, so that they from my mind.
The time is coming. The time is coming. The time is coming. I know. I'm not find who a young mother or auntie. I want infant parent. Okay, go on, you know. No business. Never. Charlie.
Where you do on the road? Excuse me, move.
Come on.
Move. What do I do on the road?
Me tell you something for study.
Listen to me. You have people or study with you. I look how you just on the road.
Oh, me Jess.
What does it in there?
You see him? You tell me say no.
You had that just from you're 10. I know you're 16. That's your way. It's too sharp.
I heard him have on tights and share that. You have a problem with it. Someone put on dress. I have a problem with what put on.
It's too short. That is the problem. It's too short. Me understand that you try to change, but that is too short. Wear something will catch
What
you.
wrong with him? Somewhere
You
wrong
don't
with
see
him?
what wrong with it?
No.
Can you go so? No.
You come have on tights.
You know what me say? Wear something long. Wear, baggy pants.
So like that, yeah, I think so.
Wear them there. Reach 18 yet to wear tighter clothes.
Why you want to know?
Or short clothes.
You want to know?
No, me don't have no money, I don't Let me come back up. Me I go to bank right now and come back up. And my daughter me there talk to. So you're going to hear what me I say now. You're going to learn to hear and listen to what me say. What you do down for you, my daughter?
Minister, me I do.
I work, me say go look in it. Me I go look at that work.
Just so. You so tear up. And same pants and when.
After you make people sorry for you, you have to just raggedy. If you just like you have money, you don't get work. People don't like when people have money because they go to now, desperate for work. If you don't just mash up at that time, you're desperate for work. Oh no.
Anyway.
I'm going to go wash it. Go and go wash it. The bright and rank and feisty.
I want to go with the road. Where did the funny road? I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you too. I'm tired. Where did the funny road? With this, I look how bad, girl. Yeah. My friend no bad. All the smart bad is you.
What I am. No, come on around with it. As you
A man went down there will come to Renner. a
surprise for you.
My father. He look like a man, and I mean father a man.
I want a
I
surprise.
don't know about that.
Look at I want a surprise.
What make you out of the yard?
Why you out of the yard?
Take a walk. You come to take a walk? And you reach where on yourself? Listen to me. You're not my mother. You're my sister-in-law. Ah! Never tell me, brother! Tell me, phone! Go on. Never tell me, brother. Wait. Never tell me, brother, for you. Wait for me, are you?
Yes, wait for me.
Me not run. No run, you know. See right there. Right, that's what me I can.
Yeah.
No, man.
Oh man, you can't even.
You know what, say me father? I'm my stepmother this year.
Girl.
Stepmother?
Yeah, my stepmother.
And my brother woman. My sister-in-law.
So God know.
God know. Hold on.
You doing your side? You doing your side?
Move out of my face. Sorry, you go. You go up in here. Never tell me. Fire. Every time I come catch a roll with the pitney. Sure.
Wagwan.
I'm there.
You good?
Concourse down here.
I'm gonna see you for a man and I have to check on you.
Alright,
You know, be yourself, but
I am me go plan here. If you catch your woman, come me tell you where my you not believe me, you know. Alright, so you go tell him say you go a country for 2 days. But you not go nowhere, you know. You go keep your phone beside you. So you see when me see him panic app now, me go call you and you go come. You go get one good result.
so
What
yeah,
you think about that plan there?
me, if you tell my man to me I go a country for 2 days, left for like me I go. And then
But you know if you go nowhere, go one place, go hide or sit down or something and keep your phone beside you.
so here with me I go do. I don't know why you come up with this idea or you come back with this foolish. But
You don't want to catch the lady.
But listen. What me I gotta do is me I gotta do what you say me to do. And come back. But if me come back and nothing go on, me I gonna have problem and things.
You will get the result. Don't worry yourself.
So me I got chance. Boy, make sure. You know you're good?
Yeah, they may look good.
Okay. Because I make sure.
Aye.
So I gotta take a word and do what you say for do.
Go on then, no? When you tell me if you wake up all that day.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, what? Now I look at news we tell you, see me?
What now?
Me I got a country.
You are a country?
Yeah, for
Why
one.
you just tell me say you are a country?
Me I got a country for 1 2 nights.
Who?
Me I got 1 2 nights.
2 nights?
Yeah, well, me not take me a far back. So me just tell her before me go away.
2 nights? 2 nights?
Yeah.
You sure say no girl you go look for?
No, don't say which girl. You mad? A business trip me I go on.
Okay, so like how you go. Remember say Zoe I go there here with me and she know so she not no manners. So you go take away her phone that she not call no man because you know me can't control her. So take away the phone.
I take away your phone from
And tell her so she fix listen when me talk to her.
Me I talk to her. So me I go for my bag them and something. So when I forward, but me I talk to her same speed.
Alright, me take away phone. Oh. Hope I want. Look at dry head picking. I do nothing for the morning. So you're going now?
Yeah, me
So hug me, Mama.
Me I forward.
You take my phone from him?
Yeah man, me take away your phone.
So you have to get my phone.
Listen man, when me forward back.
No, I want my phone for
Watch now, when me forward back. Watch TV,
show?
TV in there. So yeah, no, take care of your place. I remember to listen
Come
to
no, give me
her.
my phone. Can you listen to me?
You know, yeah, me I tell her, just remember to listen to her. You see me share
And my
queen
phone
in her
that
yard.
talk about.
You
Look
go
at
and
girl
talk
going
to
in
her.
at the house.
So no do and
Alright,
Girl,
later.
you up on the thing.
Come help me rake up. Come help me rake up the yard. Come. Leave me alone. Come help me rake up the yard, Pitney. Boy, I can't find a tree. I can't say me girl up to come pick two of them aki and I can make him cookie. Come with eat some aki, you know. One heap of aki there for the man. Alright. I gave it a world, pretty girl. You just gotta be worthy. Yeah.
Look how long me call, eh?
You just gotta be
Look how long me
worthy.
call, eh?
So now come aki.
like
You know see aki on the tree there, so man.
Mr. Aki, what me I'm penetrate that you me call you. You tell me about you do something.
So what I want? Rub my foot there.
Them are ugly foot there.
Make it quiet.
You expect me to rub them a foot there?
What wrong with my foot there?
What you tell me for? Like, listen me now. Me need money. I got the call about.
Money?
Money right now.
Or weekend. Me did use the money.
Me bro.
Me not getting a pay yet.
I need money. Money. Me want to deal with something right now.
Me not getting no pay.
Right now, my daughter need one bed because me complete the room for her. Me need to get a bed and a bed bottom for her.
But me need a room
For do what?
to live in.
You know they work, you do living job, right? And you make money. Give me the money and me will stock for a room. You don't need no room. When you want a room for
You don't tell me what me want. When you put me out, what me if you do?
Me don't put you out. For what? Put you out for what?
Me never know what can happen. You have to prepare for storm.
You can't say that.
I prefer to say anything.
Why, oh boy, I don't know what's wrong with you.
Me have to prepare for storm for true. What if when storm come and you put on me? What me if you do?
Why am I not want that? I was my daughter friend I come. I want to know if I yard in the day. I want you to take off your foot for. What are you ashamed me for?
That no man.
Me
Look
know
how we
why.
are up on the road.
I'm my daughter friend. How far yard I come from?
Yeah.
Oh, you see my daughter out there coming left her up then.
What? Alright, go down the yard, see tick and pick the aki there.
Oh, you know
Who
what?
you have to go down the yard? Who you have to go down the yard go pick?
I see your baby sit.
Baby sit. I'm a brother woman.
How much like you
Yeah,
tell?
my sister-in-law.
How long you dey tell?
I'm a brother woman and he not baby sit. He live in my town with my brother. If I'm not, you don't have a choice and then me I get money from. Then me I get money from. So you get money on him.
So I feel better money I take you me.
Right.
So if you hand me and make me know.
It I go stop right now. Come brother.
Stop how? You can't stop that, you know?
Look girl.
Hey, anyway the bread basket there.
Come here.
You can't
You cannot stop me food and you don't have no proof. So you need to go on down and you go pick the go get the tick. So you feel like me not no proof, don't worry.
You know no proof, baby. Relax. Just go on down.
Go on down.
And let me get some money. That's all you have to do. The business is she. She has no evidence over you.
You not gonna get no more money. What I mean? You not gonna get no money. Shut up your mouth and go on down.
Just squeeze the man now go village.
Me go squeeze him. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. I what call you?
Me bad.
Go on down, man. I don't me go. Chat tomorrow. Yeah, wait. Bob! Bob not there.
Hello.
Bob not there. Bob not there. Bob, present yourselves.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man, I'm there.
Now why you tell me lie?
When you say I go on now, you say I go on now.
You want to know what go on?
No, so I'm there, man, how are yourself? I'm there.
For sure, you. Hold on.
Alright.
Take out the phone from the hiding spot. Hold on. So you tell me lie for?
Hello.
If I'm like, I'm licking back right now.
I'm here, shall we waste my time? Here where you say go on.
Hold on. Look at this.
Come here.
Yes. Me did a gear bone.
Oh, I admit it. You admit say they give me bun.
Give me phone and mine drop it.
How about that?
I was giving you bun. You feel like
So
you did
now-
gone, you see? As you're gone, so you
now-
gone to the next man.
And your money me that take. Anna, mind the boy.
And a boy that you know, a man that you know, a big man that you know. Say me if you tell me say, I really say do me Riri.
Me never mean to. No, you're queen.
Riri, I really this say do me. Me dey as a vouch you, me I'll make you be queen of me yard. Everything my
queen
sister
become.
say, me no believe. Everything you say, me believe. And you there give me money, Riri, you take my money.
A stamp.
My sister, me sorry, me never believe. I'm sorry, I never
Hold
believe
on,
you.
hold on.
Riri,
You don't have to tell me that yet.
imagine.
Hold on.
Imagine.
Come. Feel it them what you give me.
You know,
Feel it
Wait,
them
no,
what you give me. Feel it them what you give me. See it there?
watch out. Listen.
Bun again.
Listen up, behave yourself.
Me feel like see if you get more, you know.
Watch out.
Now me
I feel like see if you get more.
Where?
Me I go where? I go move in. You see?
Hello.
Them what you give me. Your
Watch out.
queen. See that?
Oh no can't stay.
Come.
Maybe by come.
You're not going so easy. Come.
What you mean?
Go on back up yourself.
You
You want come and come and give me but I'm my money. Go up there, sir.
Go around, come back at me.
Turn up.
Yes, make it turn up.
Listen. You see all of them beating there where you beat my sister and where you make me beat her. Go on. Give them back.
What egg? Go on.
Come back in my yard.
You too.
Hey,
Elite them what you give me to your woman.
Listen,
Let go this.
remember who in charge, you know. Remember who is in charge.
Elite them what you give me. Go on, see it there. See where you get. See where you get there.
Relax.
See where you get there. Go on.
Bill, remember me, I'm a yard. Remember me, I'm a
Which one? Move. Fool. After me they tell you all this while, you give me some lick, so you get back every single thing. Your queen gone. Fool.